Hello everyone, Coach Carole here with you. I'm looking back over the census It's a topical time to be doing that. So I was thinking about the changes that I've seen in the way the census looks. So here I have of the census for my grandfather, great-grandfather, Samuel John Alley. Back in 1851, on this census, He's listed as a tailor and is now married to Mary Ann. In the following 10 years, we can see some changes to the family in the census for 1881. Samuel J., still a tailor. His wife is still with him, and his younger children are at home with them. A little more detail is provided as we progress through the decades. By 1891, we see some changes to the location of the family. However, he remains as a tailor, and just one of his family members is still residing with the family according to this census. That one was particularly faint and hard to read. By 1901, things are a little clearer. And in this case, we're looking at his family line, and you can see that he is now married for the second time. Well, you probably can't see, but he is married for the second time, and he has 6 more sons living with them for that census year. Then 10 years later, in 1911, we can see that many of his sons are still living with them. And the way the census form is laid out is much clearer, and more details can be seen, and especially delightful is the actual signature of the household, the head of household, as you can see right at the bottom. So here we have it. A number of different census, very different to what we're looking at today.